Hi guys, welcome to the Spadework Pumpkin Garden. We are in Westmoreland and we are here to pick up our pumpkins for the Halloween. They put up a big sign so you're sure not to miss it as you walk in. Look at this, looks great, doesn't it? It's not a long queue, it's only a few minutes before we get in. The lady in front is giving us instructions about how it works and the hygiene. We are asked to sanitize our hands before we grab a wheelbarrow. When we arrived in Westmoreland, it was raining, but the weather has changed for the better. Even the sun is out. Thank you, loads of kids with their parents. Are we going to get this one? Oh, there's not many left, is there? The kids are having fun. Abby, why do we still have an empty barrel, Abby? Okie dokie. Ria's chosen one. Okay, Ria? Yeah. I think we didn't see properly. It's broken from this side. Okay, go again. Choose another one. Okay, this is not bad. Is it heavy? Them the chipchila. Okay, Ria, well done. Put it here. Happy? Very. Okay. Pick your own pumpkins that's already picked for you.
Yes! I did it right. Cheers! Bye.
We finally bought 3 pumpkins for 1 each. We are going to carve these tonight.
Very. How did you? There we go.
No jokes.
Why? It's not about the knife. It's not about the knife. It's about the art.
Oh, big talk. Big talk.
Ah, cisma고요.
작은 게 아니라 뭐지?
얇게 돼.
Competition. Pumpkin competition.
그래서 진짜 너무 좋았어요. Yeah, I'm sure the whole.
So competitive side's coming out. Actually, it's not that hard. Oh, no. We've just finished carving these pumpkins and they look great. We had a lot of fun doing them. It took about an hour to do that, but it was all worth it. So I'm just going to finish the video here. I hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.